After the first revelation, Muhammad, peace be upon him, started preaching the new faith, mainly focused on the preaching of a single ideal, monotheism. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, began to preach and acquired many followers. Hence, the period of opposition began. Conservative opposition arose to Muhammad's, peace be upon him, speeches. According to Ibn Sa'd, the opposition in Mecca began with Muhammad, peace be upon him, delivering verses that spoke shamefully of the idols the Meccans worshipped other than Allah, and mentioned the perditions of their fathers who died in disbelief. Injuring Muhammad, peace be upon him, threatened to open up a blood feud between the Banu Hashim and the rest of the Quraysh, undermining the legitimacy and morality of the tribal leaders. Thus the Quraysh were reluctant to hurt or kill Muhammad, peace be upon him. Regardless, several attempts were made at Muhammad's, peace be upon him, life. In 1615, at a time of heightened violence against the Muslims, Muhammad, peace be upon him, arranged for his followers to immigrate to the kingdom of Aksum and found a small colony there under the protection of the Christian king Negus. Meccans sent Amr ibn al-As and Abdullah ibn Rabi'a to negotiate the surrender of the Muslims to the Quraysh. However, Negus of Aksum refused the request. Umar, may God be pleased with him, converted to Islam in 616. Umar's conversion to Islam granted power to the Muslims and to the Islamic faith in Mecca. It was after this event that the Muslims offered prayers openly in Masjid al-Haram for the first time. 9 years into Muhammad's, peace be upon him, claim to prophethood, two of the most committed defenders of Muhammad's, peace be upon him, message, his wife Khadija and his uncle Abu Talib passed away. With the death of Abu Talib, the leadership of the clan of Banu Hashim was passed to another uncle of Muhammad, peace be upon him, Abu Lahab, an inveterate enemy of Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Islam. Muhammad, peace be upon him, then tried to find a protector for himself in another important Arabian city close to Mecca, Taif. But this effort failed as he was pelted with stones in the city. Sometime in 620 CE, the year following the year of sorrow, Muhammad, peace be upon him, married Aisha, a daughter of his friend and companion Abu Bakr. May God be pleased with them. Muslims believe that Muhammad, peace be upon him, waited until he was commanded by Allah to migrate to Medina. The Quraysh had besieged his house, hearing of the large number of Muslims who had immigrated prior to him. Muhammad, peace be upon him, slipped from his home the night of the planned assassination. By the time the assassins came to know of this, Muhammad, peace be upon him, had already left the city with Abu Bakr, may God be pleased with him. Fully covering the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in Mecca, now you have a clear idea of how Islam began. The next video in this series will shed light on Yathrib and how Muslims crafted their first state, Medina.